You might feel low, you might feel passivated, you might feel depressed, but take my word, these are all natural feelings which one faces during one's preparation. Or for that matter, when you take up any task, these challenges are quite obvious. But take my word, if you're determined to crack the entrance, if you're determined to give your best, then you have nothing to worry about. No matter how you feel, no matter how your preparation was in the past, right now you have the chance. Right now you have the opportunity to make maximum use of the available time. So next 3 to 4 months, what you do in order to enhance your preparation really matters. So no matter how your preparation was in the past, at least start with renewed enthusiasm from today, and I'm very confident that you'll be able to crack your entrance irrespective of the challenges you're facing. Take my word. Hi, hope you guys are all doing good. So we're launching new batches towards NEET MDS 2021, 2022 and 2023. So first, coming to new batch towards NEET MDS 2021, that is comprehensive batch, which we usually start in the month of August. So we have 4 to 5 months available still towards NEET MDS 2021 entrance preparation. You can make maximum use of the available time. Even if you're starting your preparation now, take my word, even if you're starting your preparation now, you can crack the entrance. The only thing is, are you getting your methodology right? Are you following a proper schedule? Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan of action? Right? So that's something which is very essential. So this comprehensive batch starts from the month of August. So 3 to 4 months you'll be having a regular schedule, and 4th and or 5th month, depending upon the date of announcement of exam, you'll be having revision phase. So we'll be going through all the subjects at least twice in this particular phase, right? So that's in brief about comprehensive batch towards NEET MDS 2021 or the upcoming MDS entrance exam. And also we are launching a regular batch towards NEET MDS 2022. See, those who are in final year, some of you might have completed your final year exam, some of you don't know when your exams might happen, or some of you might be having your exams a bit late this year given the current situation. So no matter when you have your final year exams, you can start your preparation by taking up the courses and orienting yourself towards your university exam as well as towards entrance preparation. So we have a regular batch towards NEET MDS 2022. We are in phase 1 now. So August and September, mostly till October, will be in phase 1, and in phase 2 we'll be having a regular schedule with a regular subject test, revision test, cumulative test, followed by phase 3 just 2 or 3 months before your 2022 exam, right? So that's related to regular batch 2022. And also we are launching a regular batch for NEET MDS 2023 students, that is those who are in 3rd year, right? So you can start your preparation by focusing on your 3rd year subjects, simultaneously preparing for university theory and also attending our course material, and then win-win situation, helps you in your university theory as well as for your entrance preparation. So this course will be of 2 years or more than 2 years in duration depending upon the date of your exam, and the course fee is discounted accordingly, right? So for all the details related to these batches, you can just drop a mail at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. Also, you can visit our website ptbdacademy.com. So this is some information related to our new batches which we are launching from August 2020. Along with that, I would like to highlight few areas related to our courses. So we have Eclasses, test series, study club discussions and assignments. So these have been the 4 foundational aspects to our courses. Along with that, we have recently launched debate sessions in June to facilitate live interaction, subject discussion, one-on-one. So it's been really exciting journey, sharing a subject, having this one-to-one interaction through online means. And then along with that, we're also planning giving several materials in the form of PDF files which are available in our Eclasses website. So along with debate sessions, we're also providing material related to that particular session, and also point and shoot tests or some MCQs for sake of practice related to topics discussed in those debate sessions, right? So coming to Eclasses, so as you guys are aware of, Eclasses is our platform for registered students where we provide access to all recorded videos, subject files. Along with that, we have a test series. So test series, you find different types of tests: daily tests, surprise tests, point and shoot tests, subject tests, cumulative revision, grand tests, etc. Right? And along with this test series, we also have study club discussions in our Telegram platform, where we have weekly discussions in cumulative manner. And finally, assignments. Assignments are something which we have launched, a couple of months before, and assignments is a concept where we'll be giving you a set of questions. You can get back through mail for guidance, and key and explanations will be provided in our Eclasses accordingly. So these are 4 foundational aspects to our courses. Along with that, we incorporated debate sessions very recently, and coupled with which we'll be providing even key points, soft copies from all the subjects. So using these given resources, you can make maximum use of this material and progress accordingly. And the most important thing which I would like to highlight is, irrespective of the material you're following, active participation is always the key. Passively getting or seeking or obtaining information serves no purpose at all. And notes preparation is a part and parcel of active preparation. So actively involved in discussions, actively involved in preparing notes, seek answers, ask yourself several questions related to what you're going through. That really instills a lot of enthusiasm into your preparation, which in turn will help you progress accordingly. Take my word. Active participation is prerequisite to succeed in any given entrance exam, rather than passively seeking ready-made information, which is detrimental and counterproductive. Take my word, right? And finally, before I conclude, as I keep on reminding you, very basic concepts, the mantra of success, it's all about working hard, working consistently, and most importantly, believing in yourself. Coupled with which, if you enjoy the process, enjoying the process is the key. Once you enjoy what you're doing, you'll not feel that stress. You will feel like learning more and more. You'll be more enthusiastic, more positive, more determined. And if that's the case, if you focus on the process, if you enjoy what you're doing, you need not worry about results, because you'll have natural successful results, not by some random chance or by luck, but purely by your choice. Right? So just keep these aspects in mind, and always make sure that you're giving your best from your side. So if you're giving your best, if you work hard, work consistently, and if you believe in yourself, along with enjoying what you're doing, that itself is success. Unfortunately, most of the aspirants are under mistaken belief that they are not ranker kind of material. I don't know what this ranker kind of material means, but believe me, each and every one of you has your own potential. Each and every one of you is unique in your own way. All you need to do is just tap into your potential under these challenging circumstances. Yes, of course, each and every one of us have our own set of challenges, but it's all about overcoming them. That's what life is all about. We can't expect a very easy way or easy path to be laid by someone else. We have to take charge. We have to be proactive, because ultimately we're doing it for ourselves, for our progress. If you're doing it for yourself, for your progress, for your betterment, then no complaints, no pointing fingers, and all you need to do is just focus on the task at hand, and everything else will fall in place. Take my word.